Alright, so our last lesson of the week is just going to be a review of everything that we have gone over, including unit fractions, some real life examples, and also fractions on the number line. So just a quick refresher, unit fractions, it's a whole number as the denominator with 1 as the numerator, and a unit fraction represents one shaded part of all the equal parts of the whole, and unit means 1, and that's where we get our 1 in the numerator for. Here's a quick example of a few of our unit fractions. The 1/5, it has 5 equal parts with 1 shaded. 1/3 has our 3 equal parts with 1 shaded. And then that real life example of pizza, half a pizza, it could either be how much was eaten or how much is left. All right. Then we talked about non-unit fractions, so these are just your fractions that could have any whole number as the numerator and any whole number as the denominator. The numerator is the number of pieces that are filled in, so here this would be our numerator, our 1 are filled in pieces, and the denominator is the total number of pieces. Here's some examples of those. Our 1/2 here. This is a unit fraction, but it's also just a regular non-unit fraction as well. Our numerator is the number of pieces filled in, and our denominator is the total number of pieces. Same for 3/4. 3 pieces are filled in, but there's a total of 4. And for 6, there's 6 total pieces and only 4 are filled in. 4/8, here's another example in a rectangle. 4 pieces are filled in, and there's a total of 8 pieces. Then we talked about fractions on a number line. This example here is using thirds. So remember, the number of hops from 0 to 1 is your denominator. So we have 1, 2, 3 hops. That's our denominator of 3. And the first line or dash is your numerator, so after the 0, so we don't include the 0. So 1 is our first check mark. And then our second check mark is our 2, which makes our numerator 2, and our third check mark is 3, 3/3 or 1 whole. And here's just another example of fractions on a number line. This is using sixths. So to find our numerator, our denominator, we would count our hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's our denominator for the whole entire line. And to find our numerator, we would start at the first line after 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, or 1 whole. So that is everything for the week. That's a review. If you need to look back at anything, need help with the assignments. If you are confused on anything, please email me and let me know, and I can help you out. Please try and have all your assignments completed by Friday night, and I will get those graded and submitted. And make sure when you are done with an assignment, you always press Turn In on Google Classroom. All right, thanks guys.